Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Hello everyone, good morning. This is Mama Psychologist Season. Wish a very happy new year. Forget your past and get ready for the new. Today I want to share with you my regular morning activities, so I'm telling about it now. So every day I get up at 4 in the morning, then I go to washroom and complete my ablution for the prayer and realize it. Then I go to work for an hour. After that I study up to 7. Then I have my breakfast along with my little sister Nabiha. Then finally I get ready for going to my private. So that's all my regular morning activities. Thank you everyone, and once again Happy New Year.